This is a 2014 Corvette, which is similar to some other years. We already made everything loose. This is just for the demo only. The tools that you need is a size 7mm socket, this yellow panel removal, and then a Torx screwdriver size T25. The first step, you need to remove the armrest. It has just a hinge. It has 2 screws. You just remove the screws and then you can put your armrest away. And the next step, you pop up the panel around the shifter and make sure your shifter in the neutral position. You just pop it up and just pull it backward a little bit, and then you pop this side panel and then you put it on the side. Now we pop the panel on the passenger side. They don't have any screws, just need to insert your panel removal and just pop it off. And now you pop this whole bezel around the dashboard. This one does not have any screws, just the clips only. Now we remove all these 7 screws for this trim plate, and then you put this one on the side. Now we are going to remove the panel around the whole cluster assembly. It has like about screws on the top you need to remove. I think it's like about 6 screws. And once you get all these screws out, and then you can remove the whole panel out. And make sure you disconnect all the connector in the back of this panel before you remove it. Okay, now that we remove the panel, the speedometer cluster has 4 7mm screws, 2 on the passenger side and then 2 on the driver's side. Once you get all these 4 screws out, and then you can pull the speedometer cluster forward.